How to test whether your headset microphone is working on Windows 11. So I'll show you how to check whether your microphone is working or not. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu. You then need to search for Sound Settings and click on this window. Now, next to Output, go and select where you want your sound to be playing out from. So this will either be your speakers or your headphones. Now scroll down to Input and make sure you have your microphone selected. Now scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. You can then click on the Recording tab, and here you need to locate your headset microphone. Now once you've found your microphone, make sure it's set to the default device by pressing Set Default. When you start speaking into your microphone, you should see these green bars, and this indicates the microphone is working. Now to test your microphone, you can right click on it and click Properties. Click on the Listen tab and make sure Listen to this device is turned on. Now when you have this enabled, you'll be able to hear your microphone through your speakers or your headset. So once you've checked this option, make sure to press Apply and OK, and that's how to test your microphone in Windows 11.